Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the DMZ 10D Unicorn wired headphones. As you can see on the front of the package, we can see the headphones themselves through this clear plastic packaging. In the middle, on the top, we can see the model number. Underneath that, we can see the stereo headphones branding, and underneath that, we can see the slogan saying "Play Magic Music." We also have some kid-friendly imagery, which includes a unicorn and a rainbow. On the right-hand side of the package and on the left-hand side of the package, we can see the different sides of the headphones. Same with the top. On the bottom, we have some more kid-friendly imagery. And on the back, we have a couple of the technical specifications. So let's go through them one by one. The specifications of the headphones are a driver size of 40 mm, sensitivity of 106 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels, an impedance of 32 ohms with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels once again, frequency response from 20 to 20,000 hertz. Cord length is 1.2 meters and it can have a variance of 10% as well. The microphone specifications are mic dimension of 4 by 1.5 mm, sensitivity of minus 42 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels, frequency response 100 to 10,000 hertz, plug type 3.5 mm audio jack. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the package, we get the headphones themselves, and as you can see, there is a predominantly pink theme going for it on the ear cups and on the cord. The headband has a multicolored theme, and while we are on the subject of the headband, we can see that it has a very soft furry texture on it. The top of the headband has these two ears and there is some shiny sequin pattern on it as well. There is also a unicorn horn in the middle. On the back side, there is the furry texture on the ears that you see on the headband. Coming to the ear cups, they have multi shades of pink on them. The cushions, the ear pads are quite soft and there is a white color inside. The headband is adjustable and it can be used to fit a different number of head sizes. In terms of flexibility, it's not too flexible. It is quite sturdy and rigid. And getting to the cable now, we can see that it is a flat cable and we already know that it is approximately 1.2 meters in length. The cable type is the flat type, so hopefully it should help with keeping the tangles away. The connector type is a 3.5 mm TRS connector. There is some gold plating on it, but we do not know if it is actually gold or just a gold finish. To get started with using the headphones, all we need is a compatible device. In this case, we will be using an Android smartphone. Once connected, the headphones can be used to listen to your favorite tunes. This has been the unboxing of the DMZ 10D Unicorn wired headphones. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.